Hello friends, how are you? Are you doing maths regularly? But when I watch YouTube videos, many of you are not doing work also, children. So if you are not doing work regularly, or just simply you open the YouTube video and you close it, you won't learn mathematics. This is the time you have to do hard work because in 10th standard this is the turning point. This is the year at that from that point you will get turning in your life. So very important year 9th standard. So children, please do regular maths work. Okay, so now let us start our exercise 2.5, question number 8. Question number 8. Factorize each of the following. So let us start, children. First one, 8a cube plus b cube, 12a square b plus 6ab square. Children, this is our question. We will use these two. These two means actually we will use this. But this you studied, a plus b cube. Expand this, so this will be the answer. Now this becomes question here. Question is factorize this. Answer will be this, children. So first of all, this form we have to convert into this form, and then answer will be like this. Now children, how to convert this? Now see here. Now see children, I have written this form like this. So it is bracket 2a cube b cube, so bracket cube, so 8a cube square root of 8 is 2, cube root of 8 is 2, a cube is here, so it is a, b cube is here, so here b outside cube. Now children, this 3 into 2 brackets, okay, so here 3a square b square is there, no, this is nothing but children, it is 3ab a plus b. So this here, what we write, don't touch this part, children. Don't see here. See here. This you write here. This b you write here. Always plus sign to a plus b. Children, this thing. Okay, so that we have written here. So this 2a will be here, this b is here, and 2a plus b. Now children, it is very easy. Next step, 2a write down here, b write down here. Okay, next step, just children, 3 is written here, so write down 3 times. 2a plus b, 2a plus b, 2a plus b. Over, children. Second question, children. 8a cube minus b cube minus 12a square b plus 6ab square. Children, this identity, a minus b cube is a cube minus b cube minus 3ab, a minus b. And you open it, we are getting this. So now children, this is our question now. See here. Minus sign, plus sign, minus, plus. This is our question. We want answer in this form. Okay, that is known as, if we find answer, that is known as factorization. So here, first step is, we will convert this into this form, children. See the next step. See, this is next step. So now children, cube root of this, it is 2a, cube root of this b, here it is 2a, b, 2a minus b. You can compare, children, this question with previous sum. Only sign changes are there, and by that way we want to learn this only. Important point is sign. So now children, 2a we write here, b write here, and it is 3 times we write down. This is your answer, children. Understood? Now see, children, you can see that here plus sign, here minus sign. Other terms are same. 8a cube, 8a cube, big cube, 12a square b, 12a square b, and this. So actually we want to learn how to solve the problems when plus sign and minus signs are given. મેં તમને ઘણી વખત કહ્યું છે મેથ્સ બહુ ઇઝી છે પણ સાઇન મિસ્ટેકને કારણે માર્ક્સ તમારા આવતા નથી હોતા. Now children, you can see that here brackets, similarly here also same brackets, only change is you can see here plus, here minus. If minus and plus sign are given, then always minus sign everywhere. See, from this step onwards. And if all plus signs are given, no minus sign. Okay, here in this sum, only one place is positive sign. Everywhere minus sign, children. So children, by that way, some shortcuts, how to remember, by comparing the problems, that way you can learn the mathematics. મોનોટોનસ બનીને ઉતારા નહીં કરી જાઓ. નાના નાના પોઈન્ટ્સ આ બધા છે, બરાબર ધ્યાનમાં રાખો. મેથ્સ એકદમ ઇઝી છે. લેટ અસ પ્રોસીડ નેક્સ્ટ સમ. Now children, here all are minus. Here first two minus and plus. So we know that our answer will be having all negative signs. See the second step, filling the brackets. Children, this is second step. Now already I taught that this part you don't see, don't touch. From here 3, from here 5. Okay, whether it is right or wrong, if you want to verify it, you can multiply, children. 3 3s are 9, 5s are 45 into 3, 135a. Similarly for this, so you will get this number. Now next step, 3 minus 5a cube. Cube is written, write down 3 times. Okay children, very easy it is. Now next two sums, children, homework. Verify x cube plus y cube is equal to x plus y, x square minus xy plus y square, and this one. Now children, this is nothing but both are formula for factorization of cubic form. X cube plus y cube or x cube minus y cube. Children, if here is a plus sign, so x plus y will come, and here is plus, so first one is minus, this is always positive sign. If here is minus, this is plus, that you can see here. If it is minus, this is plus. Okay children, let us do the first sum. Here we will do this sum homework. So children, this is question part. So children, why I am putting this paper? Because you try yourself. Before you proceed next step, immediately you pause the video and see what would be the next step, or what will be the next step. For that you try, you do yourself. That is my intention, children. Children, this is known as left hand side, this is known as right hand side. So we will verify this by using RHS, right hand side. So RHS we write. Now children, we want to expand it. Expansion is very easy way. This x we multiply with this bracket, y we multiply with this bracket. Now children, just now I spoke. Now you don't proceed. Now immediately you pause the video. Do it. Try yourself. Then only you will learn the mathematics. X whole bracket is here, plus y whole bracket is here. Now multiply, children, with x with this, x with this, x with this. Similarly for y. X cube, x square y, x y square. So first 3 for this. Now for this y we have this remaining 3. Yx square, plus minus sign, so minus sign, x y square y into y square, y cube. Now see children, this and this you can cancel. This and this you can cancel because are same. X square y plus minus sign. Xy square positive minus xy. So this you cancel. Left part is x cube plus y cube children. This is your answer, or you can say that this is your LHS. Okay. 9th second homework. Question number 10 children. Very important sum. Factorize each of the following, this and this. Here a hint is given. See question number 9. We have to use this children. Now see children, x cube plus y cube and this part. So convert this question into this form. Then you can use this formula. Similarly for minus sign children. Now see children, how to use this formula a cube plus b cube. So first step, convert into this form. Then next step will be like this. Similarly here. Okay. Bracket cube minus bracket cube. Then we write this. Now see how we are applying this. Now see children, this is our question. So we will use this formula. First we convert into bracket cube plus bracket cube. So cube root of this, that is 3x 5z. Okay. Now children, second we write this form. So here we write 3x 5z. 3x 5z and 5z. First we write 2 times here and here. Last one we write here and here. Okay. Now remove this brackets. (9x square) 5 3s up 15xz, and last one is 25z square children. Answer. Very easy children. So children, you have to remember this only. A cube plus b cube. This formation you have to remember. Okay. Let us proceed next sum. Now children, question is this. 64m cube minus 343n cube. This is like this form children. Already I taught for plus sign children. So nothing new children. Just you have to filling the gap. 64. So it will come 4m. 343. It is 7n. આવું યાદ રાખવું પડશે. 343 નું 7n. Now children, 4n 7n 4m 7n 7n. Now it is here 4m minus 7n 16m square 28 mn 49n square over children. Easy છે ને? એટલું ધ્યાન રાખો. માઇનસ સાઇન છે તો માઇનસ, અહીંયા માઇનસની ઓપોઝિટ સાઇન, હિયર ઓલવેઝ પ્લસ સાઇન. ઓકે. હવે આ જે ફોર્મ છે, હવે જો તમે ચિલ્ડ્રન ઝડપથી વિડીયો જોઈને આ બધું જોઈ લો તો કંઈ ખબર પડે નહીં. તમારે આ ફોર્મેટ બરાબર યાદ રાખવું પડે કે પહેલાં એમ્પ્ટી બ્રેકેટ્સ લખી ક્યુબ ક્યુબ, અહીંયા એમ્પ્ટી બ્રેકેટ્સ કંઈ ન આવે, આ રીતના એમ્પ્ટી બ્રેકેટ્સ. આ ફોર્મેશન તમારે 2 3 5 વખત લખી જવું પડે અને પછી તમે આવા 3 4 સમ કરો તો તમને આ ફોર્મેટ યાદ રહી જાય. એક વખત યાદ રહી જાય પછી આ સ્ટેપમાંથી ડાયરેક્ટ આ આન્સર લખો તો પણ ખોટું નથી. એક્ઝામમાં નહીં લખવાનું. હા, એક્ઝામમાં 2 સ્ટેપ્સ તો કરવાના જ, કારણ કે આ સ્ટેપનો હાફ માર્ક હોય, આ સ્ટેપ હાફ માર્ક હોય, આ સ્ટેપ 1 માર્ક હોય, તો ટોટલ 2 માર્ક્સ સમ થાય. બરાબર. એટલે એક્ઝામમાં 3 3 સ્ટેપ કરવાના, પણ બાય ચાન્સ જો ફિલિંગ ધ બ્લેન્ક્સ કે ટ્રુ ઓર ફોલ્સ કે ગમે ત્યારે કોઈ પણ વખતે કરવું હોય ડાયરેક્ટ, તો તમને આઈડિયા આવે કે આ રીતે સમ થઈ શકે. ઓકે. નાઉ ચિલ્ડ્રન, યુ હેવ ડન enough number of problems, but homework is compulsory and it is very necessary. So I am giving you homework that you note down, pause the video and note down homework. See children, homework. Okay. So first three are same type of question and these two are cubic polynomial. Just now I taught. Okay, pause the video, note down. Now write down answers children for each 5-1. Fifth one is here. So children, regular homework કરો. કેટલા માર્ક્સ મળશે હોમવર્કના એવું નહીં પૂછો. હોમવર્કના માર્ક્સ તમને એસએસસીનું રિઝલ્ટ જ્યારે તમારા હાથમાં આવશે. અત્યારે તમે 9thમાં છો પણ એ વખતે યુ વિલ બી વેરી વેરી હેપી and you will be better than your friends group. Question number 11. Factorize 27x cube y cube z cube minus 9xyz children. Here children 3 cubic terms are given. Let us learn little bit lengthy formula. Okay, but very easy. I will explain you. Pay attention properly. You will learn definitely children. Children, question is this. For this children, in your textbook, TB means textbook, page number 48, this identity is given. X cube, y cube, z cube minus 3xyz. Then first bracket x plus y plus z. Second bracket x square y square z square minus sign xy minus yz minus zx children. Okay, that is given this part. So first step is from here we convert this into this form. Means our usual formation, you know that we have to do this way children. Okay, filling the blanks. Now fill blanks means brackets. So we will write down cube root of this, that is 3x plus y plus z. Now children, don't see this part. This 3x we write here, this y we write here, this z we write here. Now children, first two 3x y y z z 3x. Okay, now children, second step, just we have to remove these brackets. That will be your answer. So here 3x plus y plus z, 9x square y square z square, 3xy minus yz minus 3xz. Over children, answer. Okay, it is very easy. Students, just now we have done only one sum that is given in textbook, one sum in example given, but this is not enough. So I am giving you 4 sums as a homework. Note down these 4 sums and solve it. Okay children, are you doing regularly homework? Your reply will be yes only. Okay, now write down answer. Okay, written children answer. Okay children, now 2-3 sums are left that we will do in next video session. Thank you. Have a nice day children. Question number 12 children. Verify that x cube y cube plus z cube is minus 3xyz equal to half x plus y x minus y. Okay, x minus y whole square plus y minus z whole square plus z minus x whole square. Children, અઘરો સમ દેખાય છે ને, પણ very easy children. Here we will proceed from RHS children. In question number 9 also we verified that way from RHS to left hand side we went. Here also we will do from RHS to right hand side we will go. So children, this is our question. So here question I have written. Now next step will be RHS we will write. Okay children. Now children, here you know that x minus y whole square is what? X square minus 2xy plus y square children. This way we have to expand this and this. Now see the next step. Okay. X minus y whole square is equal to this children. Okay. Now y minus z square is what? It is y square minus 2yz plus z square. Children, I have just changed the order. Y square and z square written first, then minus 2yz written. See children, here this z square should be always positive. Similarly, here also y square is positive. That small thing you keep it in mind. Now z minus x whole square, this is z square plus x square minus 2xz children. Okay, યાદ આવે છે ને ફોર્મ્યુલા કે યાદ અપાવું? children, this is formula. A minus b square equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Order બદલ્યો, a square plus b square minus 2ab. a square and a b square means b square last written, that we written here, and minus 2ab is here. Now children, we just arrange them. Now see children, x square written together, y square and this y square written together. This x square, it comes from here, and z square and z square. This z square is here, this z square here. Now this 2xy, this 2yz and this 2xz together written here. Okay. Now children, x square plus x square 2x square, y square plus y square 2y square, z square plus z square 2z square. This thing as it is. Now children, we take 2 common. Okay, 2 written here. Now this 2 written here. Now this 2 and 2 we cancel. Okay, so left is this thing as it is, and we know that this is nothing but x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz equal to LHS. Now see children, from this we have written this. This is textbook page number 48, identity number 8. Okay, so children, you refer this, you can understand how we have obtained this. So now children, entire view of this problem you can see on your screen. Okay, one by one step you can once again write if you have not written properly. Clear children? Question 13. If x plus y plus z equal to 0, show that x cube plus y cube plus 3xyz. Now children, we start this way. X plus y plus z equal to 0. This is starting step. Bring this z this side. So x plus y equal to minus z. Now children, take cube both the sides. So x cube plus y cube plus 3xy x plus y minus z cube children. Here odd power. So after removing brackets, minus sign. Now children, this x plus y, now we replace by this minus z. So it is minus 3xyz minus z cube. Now bring this z cube this side children. Okay. So it is x cube plus y cube plus z cube 3xyz. Now children, entire sum you can see from starting step to last step children. Now children, let us understand one example. This is minus 8 cube plus 5 cube plus 3 cube. Question is this way. Find the value of this expansion, this expression without doing actual calculation. Don't find cube of this, cube of this, cube of this and then adding or subtraction. That way we don't want. We want by this method, children. Just now I taught by this way. So first step is x plus y plus z equal to 0. This, children, it is given. This is when, if this is 0, then we can use this thing equal to this. So here we have to check a plus b plus c equal to 0. Now check here. This is let a equal to this, b equal to this, c equal to this. Check now. A plus b plus c. Minus 8 plus 8 equal to 0. Therefore, a cube plus b cube c cube equal to 3abc. Now children, we put the value here. A equal to minus 8 cube, b cube and c cube. Put the value 360 is answer, children. Now see children, we did not find cube of this, cube of this, cube of this. Even though we got answer this. Now children, here question is this way. Without actually calculating the cubes, find the value of each of the following. Just now I explained you. Let us start first sum, children. Now first step is we suppose x equal to minus 12. This is y, this is z. Now we will find out x plus y plus z equal to 0. Now children, next step. Therefore, x plus y plus z equal to 0. Therefore, this equal to 3xyz. Now children, put the value xyz. So now this becomes question part. And now here this way. Now remove the brackets. Final answer we are getting 1260. Now children, second sum, you try yourself. Okay. Give possible expressions for the length and breadth of each of the following rectangles in which their areas are given, children. Now children, this is area of one rectangle. Here you can see that this is rectangle. Okay. So for this rectangle, area is this. This is first question and this is second question. Second question homework, children. Let us do this first question. Now children, this is rectangle, length and breadth. Next step, formula, area of rectangle equal to length into breadth. Now children, area of rectangle is given, so that we have written here L into B. Now children, factorize this. So we are getting this step. Now take 5a common, 5a minus. Next step will be this way. So length equal to this, breadth equal to this, children. Okay, this is answer, children. Here breadth is 5a. What are the possible expressions for the dimensions of the cuboid whose volumes are given below? Now children, one cuboidal is given. For that, volume is this one and volume of this one. This is second sum, this is first sum. First sum homework, children. We will do second sum. Let us see. This is question part, children. Now take something common. 4k is common, that you can see. Okay. So here 3y square plus 2y minus 5. Now take 4k common. 3y square plus 5y, 3 into 5. So plus 5 minus 3. 3 into 5, 15. So 5 and 3 will give you this, children. Now children, this part is very easy, that you can understand. Take y common, 3y plus 5. And these are the 4k, y minus 1 and 3y plus 5. So now write down 3 in brackets this way. So possible dimensions are, this is 4k, y minus 1, this. You can say that this is length, breadth or height breadth, length, anyway. So we are not mentioning this, we are just using this word dimensions. Okay, children. Note down homework, children. See, children, in textbook only 2 sums are given. For you need more practice. So here I have given you 5 sums, children. Now children, little bit change you can see in question formation. So here hint I am giving you. So note down this hint, children. Okay. By this way you have to chain the sums in any sum if it requires. Now children, write down answer part. So by this way children, we have finished this chapter. Next chapter we will take in next video session. Children, this is very important chapter, and in that also exercise 2.5, that is very important, children. In future also it will be very useful. So prepare this factorization and expansions, both these, children. One time you do, that won't be enough work. At least 2-3 times you have to do this work, children. So prepare this all problems given in exercise 2.5. Before this exercise, all remaining exercises are also important, but 2.5 is very important, children. Okay, thank you, students. We will meet in next video session.